Hey guys, Jesse here today. I want to talk about a new model of Swiss Army knife I got. It's the Tourist Edition. The Tourist is basically a small version of the Spartan. So, pretty cool. The Spartan model has been around since 1902. Used to be called the Standard Edition. Then it became the Spartan. But the design's been around since 1902. So, Victorinox, Swiss made stainless. So pretty cool to be that old of a design. But on the Tourist we have the corkscrew, the awl with a sewing eye, key ring, toothpick, tweezers, a can opener with a small straight screwdriver, a cap lifter with a large straight screwdriver, or it can be used for a light prying task, and a wire stripper. Then we have the large blade. Get the focus. Victorinox, Swiss made stainless. And we have the small blade. So that's a Victorinox Swiss Army knife Tourist Edition. And I also got this one pretty cheap. Same thing, just white scale handles. And it has a company advertisement on it from Switzerland. So that's my video for today, guys. Thanks for watching. And okay, Swiss Army knife always worked out good for MacGyver. But anyway, thanks for watching.